So there's a classic thought experiment that I want you guys to think about. If you've never seen a pink elephant, do they exist? According to Google, they probably do. They're apparently very rare, but albino elephants are pink, so that's something. But in this game, I want to do the classic gotcha thing, where I ask you a bunch of questions about a pink elephant, you look around, you don't see any, but then right after I ask you the last question, a pink elephant suddenly appears. Right now I have this hard-coded into my game. I am debating using a signal for it because I could use it for other questions in the future, but that would be relatively simple to implement, and so for right now, I think it's fun to just have it for this one question. So yeah, here's our pink elephant.